In this video of CSS, we will talk about layers. Layers, as the name says, will provide you some number of layers one over another. So basically, it will give you the options, or it will give you a look and feel of the third coordinate, that is the Z index. Like for now, we have two coordinates, that is horizontal is x-axis, vertical is y, and this one using the layers options, you will get the Z index as well. That will give you a look and feel of one div over another div and so on. So let's see a practical implementation where we are going to implement the layers in CSS. So as far as layers are concerned, here I have placed three different divs which will be behaving as a layer, and let's see what all attributes are there. So all three divs are of different color like green, red and yellow with the same dimensions, mean the same height and width, that is 300 width and 100 height, and all are having absolute positioning which we have already discussed, and accordingly I have placed them in a different position like top 0 pixel, left 120, similarly red is having top 40, left 80, and yellow is top 80 and left 40. So accordingly they will be placed, but since they are layer, so I have to tell like which layer will be above which particular one. So that particular thing will be told by the last attribute out here, that is the Z index, and it will actually tell you the sequence. That means Z index 1 means first of all it will be yellow, then above yellow I will put red because its index is 2, and above red I will put green because its index is 3. So 3 will be at the top, red will be after green, and yellow is at the bottom. So let's save it, and here you can see the output. Alright, so green is at the top, red and then yellow. If you will make some changes in the sequence, let's say I want to put red at the top, so I will make it 3 and I will make green as 2. So when I will save, you will see that red is at the topmost position. Alright, so these are the things which you can do while working with the third layer, means the third index. So these are the things which you can do while working with the third axis, that is the Z axis, while working with layers in CSS.